What we're gonna do?
Put pennies.
You go, she goes, not me, it's gonna take too long. We gotta do it fast. We get caught, we get in trouble.
For real?
Be on the railroad track, hell yeah.
But you did it. Guys, we are gonna go on the railroad tracks.
There's a train coming right now.
No? Go, she goes.
No te metas a las vías, nada más aquí por fuera.
Stay, Misa.
Go, let's go. We're putting pennies down on the railroad track. Oh.
Go.
Guys, we're gonna put railroad tracks on. We're gonna put pennies right there.
Let's go.
Oh, guys. I'll pause this so I can pick this up later. Move. There's a train coming right now.
No las botas.
Sometimes.
Okay, guys. Railroad tracks coming in a minute. Oh, yeah.
We'll go back a little bit, chill.
Wait, when we go to the house?
Okay.
That was a close one.
That's crazy. No, vamos en eso toda la vida.
I never tried doing that, but if we get some. Yeah, how big how big would it be if we put some pentones down? Dad, can you tell everyone what you do when you were a kid? Why not? Can you just tell them that you put pennies when you were a kid on the railroad tracks? Please?
They on the railroad track all the time.
Bro? But y'all never get in trouble.
We're bad, we do shit.
So y'all just ran? Nice. So when we go to the house, we're coming back. Go see if they're flattening. Yes. How flat would it be?
Yeah, we didn't have to go inside. You gotta go rush them? Oh, okay. Ya que nada ahí, pues, get my zapatos off the porch.
¿Cuáles zapatos?
Those Nike fells.
They're not on the porch.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, those, yeah. Right next to me.
Es que ya no se los volaron.
Oh, no home.
Let's watch my brother play. Okay, let him see. Let's zoom. Are you winning?
No, I'm trying to go 7-4.
My brother's Jake the dog. Right there. Turn it down, let me see. We'll be right back after these few messages. Moment.
Yeah. Well, there. Where pennies are at.
Guys, the train's passing already. It's passing. Right, Dad? It barely passed.
Ready for hit our thing.
Barely. And that's perfect too. How many boards does it have in there? 1, 2.
5. I have 4 or 5, whatever they gave me.
That beginning. We should put them on like 4 on each side. Like 2 on this side and the other side on the other.
Why we
I didn't
turn?
think about that.
Dang
Why
it.
we
We would have had more though, but that's okay.
Where pennies are over here.
The train's right there. We're barely we're gonna catch a train. Everyone's gonna catch the epic moment.
I'm about to get it down. Get those.
What's like the train song? That was fast.
2 minutes. 1 minute.
Oh, there it is. There's a train. I don't know if you can see it. My phone's not focusing. Yes. You see that, guys? The moving. That's the Wayne right there.
Yeah.
It's not working, guys. It's not working. Sorry. It's not working. My thing's broken. The Twain, guys. Twain. Look at it. Oh. This is where we put our pennies at. Look at there's no cars behind us.
Nobody comes this way when it's railroad track.
We're just gonna watch it to go. Oh my gosh, so what? I can't wait to see our penny smushed.
It might have worked, it might not have worked.
Aww.
Come on, train.
I bet you cut it in half. Look how much tires is this. It's like 4 on each. That's like. Oh, there it is. That it's ending. It's about to end. Oh gosh.
Go cars behind us. I'm gonna go check what Tia.
Oh guys, look. 3, 2, 1. Ding ding ding.
Go, 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 go.
He's just savage.
They fell.
Huh? They fell? That's trash. Guys, what happened?
What's up the track though? They gone.
Bro, are you sure it's not?
Oh. Told you.
Whoa!
Told you there's no one right there. See?
I got you. Guys, look at these. Yeah. These are pennies. Look at them. That's a penny right there.
How high exactly I knew we're about to go?
Yeah, exactly on it. Look at this. That's 1 penny?
We're all off the track. They were all close by. Quarter next time, so put a quarter next time.
Yeah. What about a quarter? You said to do a quarter. I'm gonna do that.
Put a quarter next time.
Can we come tomorrow? Oh. Look at this.
Daddy, I bet you we can buy something with those.
Can't buy nothing with it. They don't get no more.
But people gonna say this is rare.
It's not rare. People do this all the time.
Oh. So we're not the first people to do this then?
No, I can't tell.
Dang it. I want to put this on the news. Man, that's cool.
Breaking news.
Look, they're all smushed up. I will make another video of this when we go home. So yes. Oh, this is cool though. Later. Say back to the pennies. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.